David Yeomans is back with a look at our forecast and what a difference a day makes.
Just incredible, Brian. Some temperatures across the area as cold as 35 degrees colder than we were just 24 hours ago. That's the case right now out in Fredericksburg. 25 degrees colder than we were 24 hours ago out in Llano. Even right here in Austin, the same. Look at that, ABIA, a 32 degree drop in your temperature over the past 24 hours. That really shows just how strong that Arctic cold front that moved through the area yesterday afternoon was. What does that translate to in terms of actual temperatures? Well, pretty much 30s area-wide. Some folks near 40 in our eastern counties, but we're at 39 degrees here in Austin. We have seen a few folks dipping to or below the freezing mark earlier in the day out in Mason and San Saba counties. Temperatures there, though, have risen a bit to the mid-30s currently. Now, with that, we are tracking a little bit of wintry weather possible in the hill country. Storm Profiler radar is shifted over to a special winter weather mode. This helps us detect what type of precipitation is falling, whether it be liquid rainfall or a little bit of sleet. So whenever you see this blue color mixing in, like we see just north of Burnett, out there near Fredericksburg as well, that does indicate that radar sees a little bit of sleet possibly mixing in with that rain. Elsewhere, though, across the area, including us along I-35 and off towards the east, it has just been a liquid rain, although we have seen a couple of reports of a little bit of sleet mixing in earlier in the day up there in Georgetown and also down in South Austin. None of that, though, of course, accumulating with temperatures as warm as they are. Clouds and radar forecast on our high-resolution model shows a rapid clearing throughout the afternoon and evening hours. This is pretty much the last of the precipitation. We'll likely see some of it continue through the next hour or two, but after that, things really winding down later this afternoon and this evening. So currently here in Austin, light rain, 38 degrees. Temperatures won't change much. It will be a very cold day with those north winds offsetting any warming that sunshine would give us. 41 degrees by 4 p.m. Notice, though, those rain chances dipping down to 40% and then 30% by this evening, and then really waning very quickly during the late evening hours. Well, if we can make it through this very wintry day, it will be a short-lived cold spell. We're talking about the return of much warmer temperatures Thursday and Friday, the return of sunshine, and also temperatures warming drastically. We're talking about 20-degree jumps tomorrow, another 20-degree jump on Friday, and if you do the math, that puts us above 80 degrees in some areas by the end of the work week. Just an incredible turnaround yet again. So, forecast low temperatures tonight will be below freezing through much of the hill country, but with that precipitation exiting, we're not too concerned with the possibility of any icing on the roadways. Tomorrow, temperatures start the warming trend up near 60 or just above 60 degrees in a few places. So for today, temperatures not changing much, right around 40 degrees, cold northerly winds, some on and off light rain showers, possibly mixing with a little bit of sleet. Again, no accumulation possible, though. All right, tonight, clearing skies, 32 degrees here in the city. Will likely be a few degrees colder than the freezing mark out there in the hill country. Watch the afternoon temperatures, though. 41 today, 60 tomorrow, 81 degrees on a very warm and windy Friday. Here comes, though, another storm system. Now, this one looks like it could give us a pretty decent round of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, and behind it, another round of colder weather to start next work week.